Hi, in this video I will show you how I make candied orange peels, ideal for panettone, colomba, hot cross buns, and even as a quick dessert. First and foremost, you need oranges that have a thick skin and are as free of imperfections as possible. I typically use navel oranges. I'm going to wash the oranges very well to remove the dirt and stuff, and then I cut both ends. Now it's time to remove the skin. I make a shallow incision following the curvature of the orange and then remove the petals by jamming my finger in it. Now I put all the peels in a pan. You can use the ends, but I usually discard them. Cover with water and put it over a high heat. When it boils, I let the peels cook uncovered for 30 minutes. After that time, I drain the water. With the pan on top of a food scale, I plop the cooked peels back into it. Now I add the same amount of water and the same amount of sugar. The pot returns to the heat, this time low, and stays there uncovered until almost all the water has evaporated. This is the process of candying the peels. I stir occasionally, but nothing too crazy, as this process is very simple. Now I transfer the peels to a wire rack that's placed on a baking sheet. This will finish curing or drying the peels. When they are all on the rack, the baking sheet goes into the oven with only the light on and stays there for about 24 hours, depending on your climate. Halfway through the period, I like to turn the peels, but it's not necessary. After that, I coat the peels in granulated sugar and store them in an airtight container. I prefer to leave the peels in the shape of petals, because this process is more efficient and faster than the traditional method of cutting them into strips. I just cut them before I use them. But anyway, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.